Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Bubblemaps token. Now before we start the video, let's say my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, Bubblemaps BMT is a blockchain analytics platform that visualizes on-chain data to expose wallet connections and token distribution patterns, aiming to bring transparency and combat fraud in crypto. Visual on-chain intelligence transfers complex blockchain data into interactive bubble maps to reveal wallet clusters and suspicious activity. Community-powered investigations features an Intel DEX where BMT holders can propose, vote on, and fund crowdsourced investigations into projects. Utility and governance token. The BMT token unlocks premium analytics features and grants governance rights within the Bubblemaps ecosystem. Bubblemaps project institution rating is 4.1. Bubblemaps token total supply is 1 billion and circulating size around 715.85 million BMT token. BMT token is listed on popular centralized exchanges like Binance, Bybit, KuCoin, and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 85% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.